We finally got it. Chainsaw Man box set. This has volumes 1 to 11. I've been wanting to get this for a long time, and this video is dedicated to Prate, who also wanted to see this. Thank you guys so much for your support. The retail price for this is $100, but I was thankfully able to get this for $40. I really like the box set. I like how it has each different character on there and Pochita on the bottom. That was really cute. Every time you lift the box up, you'll see Makima's eyes staring into your soul. Okay. So this has the black Velcro. Oh, that's awesome. This is the apartment door. So it has volumes 1 to 11. And there is, okay, there's a poster as well. So this is a double-sided poster. I really like that it shows Denji in the apartment and the color contrast. And on the other side, we have, is that him? Yeah, that's him in his Chainsaw Man form with all the bloody colors. Well, it's not bloody, it's colorful. The box is pretty small. It's approximately 7.5 by 9 and 5.5. So this is the size comparison. It looks like it's about the same size as a regular manga. Volume 1. I love chainsaws. This is the 16th printing, and this is the Italian version. If you haven't read Chainsaw Man, I highly recommend it. At first I was a bit iffy about it because the main character simps over Makima, but it makes sense because of his life. We are introduced to him, Denji, who is the main character, and Pochita, and he encounters Makima, which introduces him to the rest of his team, Aki, and Power. Volume 2. On the cover we have Power, and on the back we have her cat. I love the Texas Chainsaw Massacre, and it shows you the characters of the story so far. In this volume, Denji fights the Bat Devil, and the team goes on their first mission. Oh, that is so awesome. I love that. Oh. Volume 3, on the cover we have Himino. I don't like that the spine overlaps the covers. I love Hereditary. And we have more characters. In this volume, the team makes it out of their first mission, and they also get ambushed by these guys. Oh, and her. Volume 4, on the cover we have Aki. I love Sadako versus Kayako. In this volume, we get a glimpse of how powerful Makima is. And Denji and Power train with the strongest devil hunter, which is him. Volume 5. On the cover, we have Chainsaw Man fighting Samurai Sword. I love Death Proof in Grindhouse. In this volume, the team fights zombies, and Denji meets a special lady. Volume 6. On the cover we have Rize. I love Coraline. I also love Coraline. In this volume, the team fights Rize. They find out she is the bomb devil. And sadly, Denji and her don't end up together. Volume 7. On the cover we have Denji and the other hunters. I love Joyuri. Don't look up. Okay, well now I have to look it up. Oh, hey, this is the poster cover. In this volume, it gets really crazy. All the hunters are trying to capture or kill Denji. And I really recommend, if you haven't watched or seen Chainsaw Man, please leave a like first and stop watching my video and go read it or watch it right now, because there's just so much going on and this is a lot of spoilers. Volume 8. On the cover we have the Arrow Devil and Chainsaw Man. I love Science. In this volume, it's just a lot of fighting. And like a majority of them got sent to hell. It's just so crazy. Like, there's just so much going on. This is my favorite chapter so far. Oh, no, Pochita! Volume 9. On the cover, we have Aki and him as a kid and the Angel Devil. I love Get Out. The author's just naming movies for us to watch. In this volume, we get the backstory of the Angel Devil and a little more about Aki. And we also get to find out the true power of Makima and just how crazy strong she is. Oh no, that's a big spoiler. Volume 10. On the cover we have Makima. I love Jacob's Ladder. In this volume, Makima takes control of Denji. Volume 11. On the cover we have Denji. I love the Kawasugi Too Scary series. In this volume, we have the final fight between Chainsaw Man and Makima. I'm gonna stop right here because I don't want to spoil the rest. I like that the inside of the box shows the apartment, but I think it would have been cool if they made the back the door. If you want to support my channel, please leave a like and subscribe. Please let me know what other series you would like me to review next. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.